Open up the piano and let's play God Will Make a Way by Don Moen. Now this song we're going to play in the key of C. However, there are some changes to the keys subsequently. So we're going to start from C key, and then we're going to move on to the major 6, and that's the A flat. And lastly, there's a raise of keys, so we're going to move up to D. Now there's different sets of chords for individual key, but now let's discover the 4 different chords that we have for our C key. Now the first chord that we have is our C major. We're going to play everything in the root position. Now first chord we have C major. We're going to put your thumb on middle C, finger 3 E, last finger G, and then we're going to move down 1 octave where we have our thumb on C. This is our C chord. Next chord we have our G major chord. We're just going to move up to 5th up, C, D, E, F, G, G, B, D. Left hand we're going to activate finger 4, G note. This is our G chord. Next chord we have our F major. We're going to move down our right hand 1 step to F, A, C, and then our left hand activate finger 5. This is our F major chord. And lastly we have a D minor. We're going to move down 1 step up from middle C, move up to D, F, A, and then for the left hand you can stretch up a little bit to high D. Okay, so this is our D minor chord. Now the playing pattern for this song, a full bar is going to be a both and right. Okay, and then subsequently on the last line there will be a half a bar. For half a bar we're just going to play 1 time each. Okay, so since a full bar is 2 times, both and right, a half bar is going to be a both. That's all. Okay, because there's a quick change of chords. Now this is a tutorial video. If you would like to practice together with me, be sure to check out the practice video link above. Let's start with chorus in the key of C. C chord. God will make a G chord way. Where there, F chord seems to be no C chord way. He, F chord, works in ways we, C chord, cannot see. D minor, he will make a G chord way for me. C chord, he will be my G chord guide. Hold me, F chord, closely to his C chord side. With F chord, love and strength for C chord each new day. D minor, he will make a G chord way, and then we're gonna have a half a bar of F only 1 time. He will half a bar of G, make a, and a full bar of C again, way. Let's try chorus smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, C chord, go. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. C chord, he will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way. Half a bar of F. He will make a way. We're going to proceed to the next key where we have the major 6. So for our major 6, we have an A flat major chord. Now A flat major chord, we're going to move down C to B to A, and 1 semitone down to A flat. We're going to put our thumb on A flat, finger 3 on C, and finger 5 on E flat. Okay, so this is our A flat major. And our left hand, we're going to activate a A flat note. Okay, using our finger 3, is the nearest possible finger. Now this is our A flat major. Next chord, we're going to have our B flat major. We're going to move up. Now our thumb move up to B flat. B, 1 semitone down is B flat. Finger 3 on D, and then finger 5 on F. Sometimes I tend to use 1, 2, and 4. I like it better instead of 1, 3, 5, okay, because of the black key. Okay, feel free to use any fingering of your preference. And then our left hand is going to have a B flat 1 step up. So this is our B flat. Okay, next chord, we're going to have our E flat major chord. We're going to move up C, D, E, E 1 semitone down, E flat, finger 3 on G, finger 5 on B flat. Okay, you want to use finger 1, 3, 5, you want to use finger 1, 2, 4, also no problem. Okay, so E flat, G and B flat, and then our left hand we can move down to low E flat. Or if you would prefer to move up to high E flat, also no problem. Okay, so any of the E flat is fine. And next we have a E minor. From E flat, gonna move down to E, G, and B, all white key. And then from E flat, we're gonna move up to E. This is our E minor. Okay, whether you want to do low left hand or high left hand, also no problem. And lastly, we have our A minor. A minor, we're gonna move up to A, C, D, E, F, G, A. A, high C and high E, and then the left hand is gonna have our A, finger 4. Okay, because just now we were around here. The playing pattern is still the same, so let's start with bridge by A flat, road way in the B flat, wilderness, hill, E flat major, lead me, E flat, A flat major moving down, reverse in the B flat major, desert will I, back up to C chord, C, and C chord again, move up to F, F chord, heaven and earth will, up to G chord, fade, but his E minor word will still re, A minor, main, F chord, he will do, G chord, something new to, then we have A major, because we're going to move up to D chord. Okay, so this new A major chord, we're going to have our finger 5 on A. Okay, so like similar to A minor, but A major, instead of A, C, E, you're going to have A, C sharp, E. Okay, so this brings out a major tone. Okay, so from F chord, he will do G chord, something new to A major, day, A major again. So let's try the bridge smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, go. By a road way in the wilderness, he'll lead me, A flat, rivers in the desert will I see, move up to F, and heaven and earth will fade, but his word will still remain, F chord, he will do, G, something new, A major, today, A major again. And lastly, for the last set of chorus in the key of D, we're going to have this set of new chords. We have a D major. We're going to put our thumb D, F sharp, A. Okay, you can have your thumb on D. This is our D major chord. And then we have our A major, which we are familiar with it just now, A, C sharp, E. Okay, we're going to move down one step to G major chord, G, B, D. Okay, left hand on G. And lastly, we have an E minor, which we played just now, E, G, B. This is our E minor. So, O, D chord, God will make a major way, where there, G chord, seems to be no D chord way. He, G chord, works in ways we, D chord, cannot see. And we have an E minor. He will make a major chord way for me. D chord, he will be my A major guide, hold me. G chord, closely to his D chord side. With G chord, love and strength for G chord each new day. E minor, he will make a major way. We're gonna have a half a bar of G. He will half a bar of A major, make a Go back home to D major chord, way. Let's try chorus 2 in the key of D, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. Half a bow G. He will make a way. Hey there friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you for jamming with me over here. Now if you've got a song that you would love to learn, drop me a suggestion in the comments below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. Thank you once again for rocking out with me. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more piano tutorials over here. Until next time, stay musical and keep on jamming.